Do you want videos to play automatically while watching content on ARTE? In this video, I will show you how to enable automatic video playback autoplay on the ARTE app step by step, so the next episode or video starts automatically without tapping the screen. Autoplay makes watching easier by automatically playing the next video in a series or playlist. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to ARTE app, as you see, and you will click. Here in this page, you will go to above to this sign of profile. Then here in this window, you will find app settings, so you will tap on app settings. After that, in this window, you will find here playback settings, so you will click. And then here in this page of playback settings, you will find autoplay, and then here you will find this sign. You will click here to enable this feature of automatically play videos on ARTE app. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.